Good morning. Welcome to my live. Welcome to my live. So, I was watching a short on YouTube just now with Oblique, and he was pounding on his chest and said, "Put respect for my name." And I was kind of wondering why was he saying that. I didn't know, but after he won, I realized why he was saying that. Because there's video going around with Mr. Lyle saying apparently they were having some heats or something, I'm not sure, but obviously based on the statement Mr. Lyle's won, Oblique came behind him. I don't know what was his placement, and he was there bragging that Oblique was panicking in the back. That wasn't the major race, however. So my mother always say, you love not to brag, love not to boast. Grief come to those who brag the most. So what do you think Oblique did when it matters most? He won. He came first and Mr. Lyles came third. And that is what he would love to have come. Lyles would want it to come first. So he's ashamed right now. So he put him to shame. So Oblique said, put respect for my name. We need to be humble. My mother said the humblest calf suck the most milk. The humblest calf get the most milk. Wait for your time. Everybody have a time. And that was what happened. A couple years ago, everybody was looking for Oblique to medal. And of course, he never did. Some persons wrote him off. I listened to a Trinidadian that says, after 2022 and 2023, he wrote him off because he actually didn't believe that he could medal. But this year, he was kind of bringing him to get the medal, and he did. Yes, he did. So wait on your time. Wait on your time. And when you wait on God and your time come, it's sweeter. The songwriter say, the hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory. So you only have to just keep going. It can be downhearted sometimes when you want a thing and you're trying your best and you don't seem to be making it. And you're wondering, what am I doing? Where did I go wrong? Why can't I make it? Because this is something that you want. This is something that you really and sometimes need. But the Lord says, no, this is not your time. Because Him setting you up for something bigger. You know what I mean? So we just need to wait, hold on, persevere, and when we don't get what we want, we just go back to the drawing board. And sometimes it's not anything that we did wrong, you know. Just not our time. When it's not your time, it's not your time. See there? Mr. Lyles couldn't believe that he was gonna lose. Well, not really lose because he medal. But it could be a lose for him because him didn't come first. He was not first. Didn't place first at all. So, Oblique said, put respect for my name. So hopefully, him will get the respect for his name now. So I wonder what Mr. Lai is going to say now. What is he saying? I don't know. But he need some respect on his name. Put respect on my name, he says. Put respect on my name. The bragging and the boasting thing don't work sometimes. It makes you more embarrassed. When all that you're bragging and boasting that you were gonna do, it end up didn't materialize. So everybody looking at you and say, what was that for? What was that for? Love not to brag, love not to boast. Griefs come to those who brag the most. So this is what I'll leave you with. Love not to brag, love not to boast. Grief come to those who brag the most. Thanks for listening.